Hello, everyone. I'd like to welcome you to our virtual parent-student open house for our 7th and 8th graders for this school year. My name is Jennifer Braden, and I'm the curriculum coordinator for Randolph County Schools, and I would like to welcome you on behalf of Superintendent John Jacobs and the Randolph County Board of Education. As a virtual student, we ask that you remain virtual for at least the first 9 weeks of this school year, if not longer. The first day of school for virtual students is scheduled to be Thursday, August 27th, and that's this Thursday. That may vary from date and time depending on the subjects that you are taking and your ability to go ahead and log on to those courses. You do need to know that attendance is mandatory on a daily basis, and you will be responsible for logging in and answering questions or completing assignments that will designate whether you are in attendance or not. The majority of you will be taking classes basically 2 ways. The first way is you will have courses that are assigned to you in a program called Edgenuity, and you will access that by going to the website learn.edgenuity.com and using your login credentials. This information and the schedule of those courses will be provided to you by your school counselor. Also, also provided to you by your school counselor may be courses that you will be taking via Access. And Access is the state's online provided virtual classroom. And again, your login information for any Access classes will be provided to you by your school counselor. These will be the majority of your core content classes. For your PE, you will take that, and that will be delivered to you on the Schoology platform. And I will introduce that teacher to you in just a moment. But before I do, I would like to introduce you to our District Technology Coordinator, Mr. Kalen Daniel.
Hello, everyone. By now, your school should have contacted you to pick up your child's Chromebooks. If not, you need to contact your child's school to arrange for that pickup. Support this year will be provided by the teachers for any programs being used or by your school counselor. Chromebooks will be supported by a media specialist at the school. So if you have any trouble with Chromebooks or something breaks on them, please contact those people as soon as possible. We've created a Parent Academy for Technology website that can be found by going to the Technology Department web section of the randolphboe.org website. It will cover how to log into Chromebooks and how to access those other programs. We're going to be using multiple tools, especially 7th and 8th grade. You can use you'll be using Schoology for PE, and then you can use Access and Edgenuity for your instruction. Chromebooks are being provided so that you can access all of this. You'll log in with your school email address and password. If you're a returning student, it's going to be the same password that you used back in the spring. If you are a new student, your counselor or teacher will provide that password and email address to you. If the password needs to be reset, please contact your school counselor so that they can get with me and we can reset it. Schoology can be accessed through randolphboe.schoology.com. Your login is your email address and password that you use to log into your email. Announcements, links, and any other course materials that you need for those things, or if you're taking a Schoology course, will be posted there. And if you have any other questions or concerns, please contact me at the Randolph County Board of Education. Phone number is 256-357-4611. My extension is 2015. Or you can email me at cdaniel@randolphboe.org.
Thanks, Mr. Daniel. At this time, I'd like to introduce you to Mr. Jeremiah Thomas. Coach Thomas teaches at Rock Mills Junior High School, and he will be providing PE instruction for you virtually this year for 7th and 8th grades. Good morning, Coach Thomas.
Good morning. As Ms. Brayden stated, I will be a virtual PE teacher. The objective will be to develop knowledge, skill, and a lifetime of helpful physical activities. I will be putting out daily assignments, and they will be graded based off participation, in which I will also upload a PE log. And I cannot wait to get started working with you guys. Thank you.
Thanks, Coach Thomas. I also want to reiterate the point that I made earlier about attendance. Attendance is mandatory for virtual students. We mentioned several links during our presentation. All of these links will be available to you on our Parent Academy for Technology page, on our regular website, and they will be provided to students in an email, either by their school counselor or from here at the Board of Education. If you have questions, again, my name is Jennifer Brayden. I'm the curriculum coordinator, and you may contact me at the Randolph County Board of Education, 256-357-4611, extension 2013, or you may email me at jbraden, BRADEN, @randolphboe.org. Thank you.